Hello. The next plant, the second plant we are going to is where we'll be assembled the injection unit, and also where are saved and stored our spare parts. Now we see from the last factory, from the last plant, the valve block comes here and get assembled by our workers. The single valve block goes here and be assembled with a valve. And here, the first assembly process, the barrel and the injection cylinders and the star motor, they are assembled into one injection unit, including barrel and the cylinders. It's for high-speed machine. And here, assembly line for the clamping part, and over there for injection part, and here assembly line for the clamping part. The rear plate, the middle plate, the oil cylinders and bearings we saw in last video. So now we see the production process of one injection molding machine in our factory. We continue to go to the end of the plant. This is mechanical structure before painted. They are putting on the when the injection part, a barrel and a cylinder and a screw assembled. Then it goes directly here to be installed on the machine base, and also the clamping part. The servo motor. And workers, they are installed the servo motor with a pump. The toggle. And here, this is the plant for the painting. The three plates of the machines come here. They get painted inside. And here it goes, the next plant, Mechanical Processing Center. As a machinery factory, the most important things is to have it their own design and also the Mechanical Processing Center. The big machines, this is big machines. To process the mechanical plate like this size. Just have an idea how big it is. It is a huge mechanical part. This is for punching machine, not injection machine. Also for punching machine. Just to see the size of the processing machine of us. This drilling machine. Big drilling machines. Mechanical part already processed. And here also, middle plate already processed. More processing center. Now we finished. We begin with the assembly line and warehouse, then next to the mechanical processing center of our factory. This is how injection molding machine and punching machine are processed and produced here in factory Ningbo, Wellish.